So I'm just walking down back to the car, day 2. I'm trying to find a route basically that I could run or even just walk that gets me to where I need to be, and I think I found it. So I just need to I don't want to walk all the way to the car, hang around outside again knocking on the door if she's not in. So what I'm going to do is give her a ring when I get to the lake, make a little short nature video if I can sit where I want to sit, and I might have to leave it. Might have to just leave it and not be able to get the first video of the start of cleaning it. You know, it will be quite an event when I start work on it, because I haven't done anything with a car for so long that it'll bring back a lot of memories as well, I suppose. And yeah, I just need her to be in for once, and then I can get the key, and at that point I can start work on it. Yeah, so I think I found that route that I wanted to find. Right. Yeah, so yeah, I'll give her a ring when I get there. There's no point in rushing. She's probably not even in the town, so I'll give her a few hours, I suppose, to get brought back to this area. There's not much I can do with without the key to the car. I've got to disarm the battery, and if I can just get hold of my aqua wax, I'll start to clean it. I'd like Harvey to do it, but I want him to do the inside. I can do the outside. Anybody can clean the outside of a car. I want him to detail the inside. Yeah, so I found the route that gets me to where I want to be without going down the roads, because I got in a fucking argument with a lorry driver the other day, hand signals and whatnot. Because he couldn't get past me when I was walking down the road, but it was so muddy on the side. Why would I not walk down the road? But he started beeping his horn and everything, honking his horn, and gesturing me as he drove past and that. It's like, mate, you're a professional driver. You're driving a bloody juggernaut, you know. Dog coming up, inquisitive dog. He's alright. He's alright. I thought he might come and sniff me. They can normally smell it. Yeah, definitely found the route that I want to be using now. So I guess I'll stay here for a little while, and then I'll go back and find the way back and make sure I know where I'm going. The only problem is I haven't got the tripod again, and if I'd have had the tripod yesterday, I'd have had some really good still footage, but it was a bit wobbly. So it didn't turn out too great, but it was not too bad. Yeah, bench is free. Yeah, it's a good place to just chill. It's worth the walk. The only problem is it's muddy. Look, check this out. Oh. Yeah. So that's what I came to see. Spend a bit of time here and just relax. So it's a long walk, but it's worth the wait. But that's what you get for walking. So. Yeah, I'm just looking at my lips. Thought I had some black stuff on it. Yep, so this is what I came to see. I'm going to give her a call, and we might not be able to do anything with the car today again. It wouldn't be so bad if she's just in. I can get some water and whatnot, but I need to get the bags of cleaning products and just get myself started. Yeah, it's beautiful there. Yep, beautiful. Alright, let's give her a call.